Alrighty, in this video we're looking at problem solving with differential equations. Now this will follow your standard problem solving methods. Essentially that is, if the word says something like rate, you're looking at a derivative, or quantity, you're looking at the actual function itself. So let's do this example here. So we're looking at the salmon population, and they give us a differential equation which tells us how many sort of salmon we're expecting to have, but a rate of salmon. So p to t equals a fifth of p. And whenever you see on the right-hand side, the thing on the top of the differential equation, like our equivalent of y here, you're expecting an exponential function. So we can divide by p to solve this. It's almost just like a separable differential equation. 1 over p to t equals a fifth. And then we need to integrate both sides. 1 over p to t dt equals 1/5 dt. Just like that. And then we can actually just sort of integrate it as per normal. So we get log of p equals a fifth t plus c. So you're going to get p equals e to the fifth t plus c. C is just a real number here. And then we can write this as p equals e to the c, e to the fifth t. Really, we should have had plus or minuses in front of that, but then you can just write it as a e to the fifth t. A is plus or minus e to the c. So a is just some real constant there. Great. So that's our population function. We sort of done the first bit there. So find the salmon population after 10 years. So it's got an initial population of 80. So if we write this instead as like p of t, we know that p of 0 equals 80. Therefore, a e to the 0 equals 80. Therefore, a equals 80. So that initial condition tells us what a is. And then we're going to be finding it after 10 years. So p of 10 equals 80 e to the fifth times 10. So that's 80 e squared. So 80 e to the power of 2 gives you 591.124. So this is about 591 salmon. So in general, you're just going to solve the differential equation. You're going to plug in a value to find your unknown, and then you're going to be plugging in various values of t to be solving that.